This is why I stopped buying Tupperware. You can never find the right size lids. You got square ones, more square ones, another square. Hey Wayne, he gets it. The containers are always a problem too. They're never the right size and the lid never fits. And on top of that, they break all the time. And the worst part is, you have to pay for this junk. Oh snap, I found some bananas. So I decided to come up with a solution. It's called foodieware. You got the cream cheese size. This one's great for chips. If you don't like chips, you can even use cereal, or you can just do cream cheese size leftovers. Perfect. You also have size cottage cheese. This one's the same junk, different day. And you even have the mega sour cream for the day's dinner is nasty and ends up holding the leftovers for tomorrow. You can also mix and match with foodware. Like this is whipped cream cheese Greek yogurt. And this is ricotta cheese Greek yogurt. Some jelly pasta sauce. And the best part about foodware, you never know what you're gonna get. It's Taco Tuesday, and it looks like we're having a baked potato with some soup. I like chicken noodle baked potato soup. Yum.